In this video, we'll look at furniture template use. I like to draw light construction lines along which to place the templates and to figure out clearances. All templates look different. In this particular template, the chair has a line indicating where the edge should be. Some templates have cutouts, and then you need to move the template so that the cutout aligns with the edge of the chair, like this. So you'll need to draw this part and then add the edge to it. First, when you place it, if you're going to put it against a wall, leave a little bit of space between the furniture and the wall. That is, don't butt this up directly to the wall. After you draw this part, then draw the edge. Line the edge up and then trace. Add a line to divide the cushions. Back to this template. Now I'm going to draw the interior of the chair and then draw the edge. I'll measure 1 foot away from that first chair. And again, I like to draw light lines just to help guide where I place the templates. And I'm going to draw another chair. I can line up the edge with the arms, or I can indent it a little bit. Now I'm going to mark off, and I like to draw construction lines along which to mark off things with the scale. I'm going to mark off a line 1.5 feet from those chairs and put a table in front of them. And I'll use this template. Then I'm going to mark off another 1.5 feet and draw a light construction line, and then find a couch template. Now on this particular set of templates, a lot of the detail is delineated. Some templates are not that elaborate. I'm going to take advantage of the delineation to make a mark here and here and here for the arms and back. Then draw a line for the edge. And you always need to draw the seat cushions. On a love seat, you would draw a line right in the middle. On a couch, you would want to put in 3 cushions, and I'll show you a little geometry trick to do that. Connect the corners with these diagonal lines and draw a light construction line in the middle. Then connect this corner, connect these two corners, and where this line intersects with that line, there's a third, and this is 2/3. Now I'll do the same thing here. Connect these two corners, and where these two lines intersect, there is your couch. To make it easier to see, I'll just erase some of these lines. Now I'd like you to notice the tub. You have a template for the basin, but you need to go back and manually draft in the structure around it, like this. Here's what you would trace for the basin, and then here's what you'd add for the structure around it.